nung umpisa po, he's always looked down on by everybody. And feeling ko po, medyo, po kasi sa totoong buhay, I'm hard on myself. And kumbaga, madali po akong ma-pressure. And I feel as if na kailangan ko ma-meet yung expectation ng mga tao. That's all.
Hello po, good evening. Sa akin naman po, mas pinang-resonate ako sa character ko is how Sid loves his family. Kasi ako din po, hindi pa siya napapakita ngayong first episode, pero si Sid ay isang mabait na kapatid at anak. So, wow, kwento ko tayo, so mabait din po ako. And gagawin ko ang lahat for my family.
Hello, Mark.
Hello, congratulations for Kapangkot. Sobrang ganda ng bago niyong show. Anyway, my question is for the production crew and the cast. Sobrang daming sports scenes and it looks real. Diba? My question for the cast is, did you train hard for the sports scene? Sobrang hirap ba ng training? And my question for the production crew, how did you make it look authentic na hindi siya mukhang peke?
Ako muna magsasagot and based sa production crew. We made sure na kahit maraming series ang sports na lumalabas, we wanted really on top of it, maging authentic. Hence, we're very thankful sa mga coaches namin. They were there all throughout, from start to finish. Kahit may game kami, try out na scene, andun talaga sila. And my assistant director, si Eugene, who's also a volleyball player. And they really call me out. Pag sinasabi nila, direct, hindi yan pwede. Hindi yan pwede. Ma-cancel tayo. So, I was very sensitive with the game. But of course, may creative license ng konti. But yun, yung wings talaga, when it comes to decision making, sila talaga yung nag-guide sa akin. And yun, ibabato ko rin sa mga non-volleyball players natin na artista who turned out to be really good.
So syempre po, nag-training po kami ng sobrang daming beses. Kasi ako po personally, I don't play volleyball. Bago po ako makuha here for this project. And ever since po nag-start po kami ng training, I've come to love volleyball. And kahit nung natapos na po yung shooting ng series, tinuloy ko po talaga yung paglalaro ko. Kasi gusto ko maging proud sila, coach. Uy. And yun po, ang dami pong beses sa shoot na mahirap po talaga yung papagawa sa amin na skill sa volleyball. For example, yung nag-dive ako tapos tinamaan ako sa mukha. Siguro mga 30 minutes po nagagawa yun. Kasi natatakot po talaga ako mag-dive. Pero nung nakuha naman po, sobrang ganda po ng kinalabasan. So, thank you so much, syempre kay Direk and kay Coach Rior and kay Coach Rax. Thank you po.